Hey there, my name's John Armstrong. I'm a solution engineer here at Nintex. So I'm just going to throw together this quick video regarding using accelerator keys in Excel, but in an automated way utilizing Nintex RPA. So if you're not familiar, accelerator keys are basically keyboard shortcuts that you can use. Um, I think they're across all the Office suite, but specifically here with Excel, um, it's going to be a lot easier to access things that are in the ribbon. So all I did, I pressed the Alt button, and all of those little like labels popped up. And from there, I can really just do. Um, so I'm doing this manually right now, just to kind of illustrate. But if I want to go to the data tab, if I want to add a filter, um, things like that, I can do that. Of course, I got that error because I have a blank workbook. But as far as setting that up within Nintex RPA here, first thing we want to do is actually just um, grab the target real quick. So we'll target Excel itself, right? Because we're working with the actual application. And then we're going to use a send value. So obviously we're not typing anything, but we are still using keystrokes. So as we're sending those keystrokes. Now we can access all those keyboard options within what we call the expression builder here. So let's say I want to go to back to that data tab, right? So that was Alt, and then I pressed A. And then our A, right? So that would be refreshing all the data, right? All the data connections or queries. So press Alt, we do A, gets the data tab, R gets the refresh all, and then A again. So just to triple check, A, R, A, right? So we'll slow this down a little bit just to show you how this kind of works, right? I'll create that action. It's going to run through here, kind of slow, right, because of the settings that I put out, but it went through and it executed those keystrokes. So super simple, just one step in my bot flow, but of course, you can add things like opening the workbook, and if the workbook is password protected, you can use those passwords there. You can have it automatically update that linked data as well once it opens that workbook, so that's another option there in this case. But yeah, happy to answer any questions. Don't hesitate to reach out.